Okay, guys, traffic circles. Okay, the key here is to understand what they're asking you here, and they also want you to kind of realize what's in here. In here, we have this traffic circle that goes like this. I'm sorry, it's not a perfect square, but you can see it right there. And for the most part, that's how it goes. For the most part. Okay, so they want you to understand that, and for you to, and I to remember, the circumference can be found by doing 2 pi r, or you can really say, well, the circumference can also be found by 2 times r would be the diameter times pi. Okay. Now, with that in mind, they give us more information. They give us this information right there. Can you see it? So that means that the radius is like from right here in the middle. That's what the center of the circle is, to the end of the circle. And it's going to be 18 meters. Okay. 18 meters right there. Okay. They want you for you and I to find the circumference. Okay. And to find the circumference, guys, we got to use either this formula or this formula right there. Either or, it does not matter. Well, the ideal is just to use this one right here. It's a little bit easier because they give us the radius. So r equals to 18 meters. Of course, d will be 36 meters, right? Either or, you will get the same answer. So if I was to come over here, I would say, okay, I got this, I got this, I got this. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to say, okay, that means that if I have to find the circumference, I need to go 2 times pi times, okay, times r. So they put pi in here. I mean, that's automatically, but and put an r right there, which is 18. Okay. Well, you can see if you were to multiply it right away, yes, the numbers, you get 2 times 18. So these two right there, that will be 36 pi. And that is the answer, guys. You know? Um, Now, of course, the answer per se is not quite accurate, but that's the answer. And if the best way to do this, guys, is to always go to your dashboard right here. If you can go to the, let me see if I was to go over here, and I also open my graph here, your regular page, and go and try to use the calculator, your Desmos calculator. Okay, so you go to your geometry class that you have, open the your dashboard for the book, and it should get you immediately to that calculator. And almost all scientific calculators have a specific a specific calculator, guys. They all do. Okay. So if you go here, it will take you directly to your dashboard, and the Desmos calculator will be right there. Okay. That will open that right there. Because the graphing calculator, it's okay, guys. It's no difference unless you were doing like degrees or something. That's the only difference that you have right there. So here we said that we had a right here we had a 36 pi or 2 pi r. So you can do it. You can come back over here and you gotta say, okay, I got 2. So I'm gonna see if I can find my little. Um, Let me see if I can find my beautiful keyboard. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna close that for a little bit, and there it is, right there. And right here, can you see the pi right there? So I'm gonna go 2 pi, and then I'm gonna open parentheses, and I'm gonna put 18. See, that's what you need to do to find the circumference. And of course, they want you to run to the nearest 100, so it will be 113. I will be at 113.1. Okay, so it will be 113 meters all the way around, guys. 0.1. So I'm gonna come back over here to my here, and I can say my circumference will be what we mentioned before, 113.1. Let me see how they want the answer. Okay. Okay, Okay. Let me check. I want to make sure that I have something like this. Let me put it myself over here. And we found that out, guys. We want to go step by step. And let me see if I can get this one just a little bit. And we did what we need to do. And we said the island of the car path is 8. Okay, so the radius, okay, so they will be 18 meters. We said that. Okay. And we found that 2 pi times 18 again here. Okay. Therefore, we have 36 pi. And we use a calculator, guys, and we find the circumference to be an approximate 113.1 meters. That's longer than a football field. Okay. We say it will be, we said it will be 36 pi. That's one of the answers, or about 13.1 meters. Okay. So the answer could be in terms of pi, or that is exact. That's very, very exact. But an approximation would be 113.1. And there we go. See? It's really, really simple, guys. Again, if you have the circle right there and you know the radius, it's easy. Then you just apply the formula. And the formula for the circumference is 2 pi r. Okay? Good job, guys. And let me check to see if I can, let me see if I can find that. I want to stop this. So, whoosh. Okay, I need to, yeah, right there.